Good day to each and everyone. My name is Teacher Jago, and I will be discussing about the different types of figures of speech and itself figures of speech. So within this lesson, we will explore the common types or the 7 major types of figures of speech. The meaning of figures of speech is these are creative expressions that make our language more vivid and more powerful. Or in other terms, it helps us describe more imaginative ways, which it captures our emotions, which plain words cannot even explain. So let us now move on to the types of figures of speech. So the first one is simile. So we all know what a simile is. So it is a figure of speech which it compares two different things with the words using like and as. So remember, you can analyze a simile when there's a word like or as. So that is simile. So an example here given to this PowerPoint is her smile was as bright as the sun. So we can analyze the simile here, which is her smile was as, where there is the word as. So it is given that it is a simile. So on the right example, can you analyze where is the simile there? Let me know your suggestions and your answer in the comment section below. On the other hand, metaphor is another type of figure of speech which it directly compares two different things without using the words like or as. So it directly describes two different things. So an example here is time is a thief that steals our moments. So it directly describes that time is a thief. So literally means the time is stealing our moments. So on the example at the right, can you give that or analyze what is the metaphor here? Let me know in the comment section below. Let us now move on to the third figure of speech, which is personification. Personification refers to a figure of speech where human characteristics are given to non-human objects, animals, or ideas. So we're giving actions to objects, animals, or ideas. So I have an example below, which is the wind whispered through the trees. So the wind here is doing an action, which is we humans can do, which is whispered through the trees. While, can you spot an example on the poem that I gave here? Let me know on the comment section below. To the next one, hyperbole. Hyperbole is an exaggerated statement. Again, exaggerated statement which is not meant to be taken literally. It is used for emphasis or humorous effect. So hyperbole is just an overreacting sentence or statement which it never really happens. It's just you're just overreacting what you want to imply to this person or to others. So example here is I'm so hungry I could eat a horse. So it means in a simpler meaning, which is he is very hungry or he or she is starving. So that is the translation of the sentence. So can you analyze where is the hyperbole in this poem? Let me know in the comment section below. Let us now move on to the next one, which is alliteration. Alliteration is a repetition in the same consonant sounds. Let me repeat that one. Repetition of the same consonant sounds at the beginning of words that are close together in a sentence or phrase. So it directly aims to confuse or even make it harder for the readers or speakers to dictate it. But it gives an impression that it's a very good way of representing literature in a very creative way. As a creative writer myself, alliterations are used to make more literature more engaging, more confusing yet more vivid. So an example here is or a rather famous one, which is seashells, seashells by the seashore. Can you repeat the sentence quickly as I did? If not, that is okay. We can dictate this more slowly. But wait, can you analyze on the right where is the alliteration here? Last but not the least, onomatopoeia. What is onomatopoeia? Onomatopoeia is when a word imitates the natural sound. Again, onomatopoeia refers to when a word imitates the natural sound of an object, animal, or anything that creates a sound. It aims to make a literary piece or what you say more expressive and vivid. So it gives more description in terms of analyzing onomatopoeia. So I have an example here. The bacon sizzled in the pan. So the bacon here, the sound it makes is sizzled. So where can we hear sizzled? When we are cooking something or frying something in the pan. So can you give me the onomatopoeia in the examples on the right? Let me know in the comments below. Now class, as we finish this lesson, I hope you understand that the figure of speech, it gives us more imagination. It further enhances our imagination to make creative ways to express our emotions through vivid writing. That is all. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have learned something valuable in this lesson. Goodbye.